Hey y'all, what's up? It's AJ with Hippie Fertilizing. Just want to share a thought on a very popular topic and my views on it. What is this topic? Core aeration. What is my view on it? Don't do it. All right, most of us anyway, around here in our Gulf Coast, Houston, Harris County, Galveston County area have St. Augustine grass, okay? Typically, we're looking for core aeration because our lawns need improvement, right? You want to open up your soil, allow oxygen to go down deeper to the root zone, water, nutrients, all that sort of stuff. Well, you plug a bunch of little holes in the soil, you stress it out. If you don't properly amend it, i.e. with quality compost, quality soils, if you're doing a top dressing and you can't get quality compost, a flower bed mix is the next best option. It is honestly what we use because it's it's very great quality and it's better priced. Another thing, when you're plugging all those holes, you're disturbing the root zone, you're disturbing fungi, other bacteria in there. And again, if you don't properly amend it with good bioinoculants, good soil compost, stuff such as that, then you're really causing more harm than good. It's a Band-Aid, right? Skip the core aeration and go with a lawn top dressing. Go with compost. Go with a quality garden mix. And usually you can tell or I can tell anyway, by how dark it is. If you get it wet, now can you crumble it and hold it together? And will it fall apart easily? Or does it stay hard and clumped together? And then how does it smell? Because quality soils and compost have a good smell. Almost everyone has agreed darn near unanimously when I bring soils to their lawn or on a rare occasion for their flower beds, they're like, man, AJ, this smells kind of good. And I'm like, I know, it's supposed to, right? If your soils and your mulches and stuff like that stink, then they have anaerobic properties, so they're not being processed properly to kill off pathogens, weed seeds, and to promote the kind of biology that we want on the top layer of our soil working for our plants. In some aspects, anaerobic bacteria and honestly, pathogens, like everything in nature has its purpose, right? But for the purpose of our lawns and being healthy, we don't want that stuff because diseases are bad for our grass, pathogens are bad for our grass and our plants, and stuff that is not properly broken down, okay, to be more available for the biology in the soil to utilize it for us. That's not what we want, right? It's a waste of time, money, effort. And so, kind of circling back around, why would we want to waste our time, money, effort on a process that isn't truly benefiting our overall goal, which is healthy turf, typically, right? Improve soil quality, improve porosity of the soil. So when it does rain, we absorb more of it, okay? Increased soil carbon increases water retention features so that when we do get in a drought situation like we have been, luckily we got 1/100th of an inch this morning of rain, maybe. I don't know, we got a little sprinkle. Anyway, we want it to be captured and utilized as best as possible, and then basically kind of like giving back to plants and our turf in kind of like the best controlled manner possible, and a healthy soil structure will do that for you. So anyway, let me know what you think about this video. I, for one, don't recommend core aeration unless you have, say, Bermuda or something. You really going for that top-notch golf course quality lawn. Skip the core aeration, okay? It's not worth it. If you go look at my Facebook page and see all the before and afters that I've posted of fixing lawns, I have not core-aided one single freaking lawn. So, prove me wrong. Peace.